This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Great opportunity to purchase a beautiful home, with two bedrooms and two full bathrooms with 2 carports. The home is beautifully open floor plan. The home features a living room, dining room, and kitchen combination. The home features a bonus living area right off the living room. The master bedroom is a huge space with a walk-in closet and additional closets. This exceptional residence is located in Country Club Manor Mobile Home Park, in Eustis, Florida. The home is located in a well-maintained and exceptional 55+ resident-owned co-op community and a friendly senior community. The monthly co-op fee of $231 includes water, sewer, trash, with Clubhouse and Pool. Residence is located close to shopping with a Publix grocery store directly across the street from Country Club Manor, and Winn-Dixie in proximity of subject community. You will also enjoy the excellent restaurants in the Eustis, Mount Dora areas. Plan to schedule your appointment to view this exceptional residence today. For more information, review the details below.